So here we're going to take a look at the CT15 Hepa. This is an entry-level vacuum cleaner that's really light and ergonomic for all sorts of cleaning applications, whether it's workshop, site, etc. The benefit of this unit is that it comes automatically with a Hepa filter for extra protection, and also a self-clean bag, and this gives us consistent extraction all the way through as we're filling it up. And the benefit of filling the container capacity to 95% because of the flat filter. So here we're just going to have a look at what comes with the vacuum. We've got a self-clean bag, okay, and the beauty of that is that it'll fill up to 95% of its capacity. This vacuum comes standard with a Hepa filter, and the benefit of this is just extra protection with the Hepa side. A 27mm hose can be used for cleanup or onto power tools, which we can take off there. Inside the unit, we can pop that up, and this has got where we can store the cable nice and easy for transport, and it's got a small cleaning kit in there that's also comes with, and a standard Festool basic cleaning kit with that as well. So two options as far as that. These are just smaller heads in here. Okay, and the bag will just seat into there, lock off, and as I said, having that flat filter system sitting over the top there means that we can utilise that whole container space for efficient fill for that. With our hose, so our hose will plug into the top. Okay, we can bring that out the front there, and as we're using it for cleaning or working with tools, keeps it nice and compact. This is just to demonstrate the capacity that we can fill these units. We take that off. Okay, so when we have a look at that, this is the whole benefit of having a flat filter in there, that we've got the best utilisation of the container space as we can, which means you're using the total container and also spending less time changing bags, and also keeping a consistent extraction through using a self-clean bag. So on the front panel workings here, on the vacuum, we've got the main switch for on and off. Then we've got our manual set up, so we can hit that to turn the unit on and off. Here we can increase or decrease the suction. This is where we'll plug our power tool in, and this has got a maximum connected load of 1200 watts. This machine's fitted with a circuit breaker, so if it's over 1200 watts, draws those amps, it will then shut out, and all we do is turn the button on and off to reset it. So now we can use our tool with it, plug that in, and now I'll have the auto on and off for the tools, and then we've got the delay in it also to make sure that we're taking the dust all the way out of the hose. Just a couple of accessories that can also go onto the vacuum. The first one is we can use it for wet pickup, so there is a wet pickup filter. When we do wet pickup, we remove the bag, we put the wet pickup filter in. That just protects the motor, so that's one. The other one is we have got a reusable bag for that. So this is where you can fit the bag, and then when we need to, we can just empty it out there. So that's another option as far as if we want to reuse the bags over again. And another possibility is also to plug an anti-static hose into it, therefore working with the anti-static feature. So these are just a couple of extra things that you can do with the machine that make it really versatile.